In this video I'm going to show you how you can add links to your TikTok bio. So to do that, what you need to do is to open your TikTok app. You need to come to your profile by clicking on me, which is in the bottom right corner. That's obviously going to take you to your profile. Once you're here, then click on the three dots on the top right hand corner. And you need to go to Manage Account. And if you're not already switched your account to a pro account, you need to actually go and switch your account to a pro account. So here the red text says, Switch to Pro Account. So we can click on this. It's then going to go through the process of switching our TikTok account from a personal account to a pro. Now what we need to do is we need to click on Creator. So I'm going to click Creator here. We're going to click Next. And you can enter in what your account's about for. This account here I'm just going to choose IT High Tech. Then we're going to click Next. I'm going to choose my gender, click Done. And now we have made our account a pro account. Now what we can do, we can cancel out of this. And now we can go and add a website to our TikTok bio. So to do that, go back. Go to Edit Profile. Now sometimes you won't actually have a website here. That's fine. What we can do is we can just go back. We can click on the three dots again. Go Manage Account. And we can just go and switch it to a business account. And then click Switch. Once we do that, do the same thing and choose what kind of business it is. You can put anything really. I'm just going to put education. And then we can skip through this. Now if we go back to Edit Profile, we should have the option here. Click Add Your Website and we can go and add any website. I'm just going to add my YouTube channel link. You can then click Save. And that will then be saved onto your TikTok bio. So if you go back, you can see we've now got a bio website link. And we've now got the website, which when people click on it, it's going to link them to whatever you've linked. So that's how you can add a website to your TikTok bio.